Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we bring you top 1000 basic electronic MCQs. Today we start part 3 of the top 1000 basic electronic MCQs series, which includes MCQs 201 to 300. If you want to watch the remaining parts of this top 1000 MCQ series, make sure to visit my channel, check the playlist and subscribe the channel so that you don't miss the upcoming videos. So let's start part 3 of basic electronic MCQs. Question number 201. What is the function of a capacitor in a DC circuit? Option A, store energy in electric field. Option B, conduct current continuously. Option C, produce magnetic field. Option D, increase resistance. The answer is option A, store energy in electric field. Question number 202. A PN junction diode conducts current in which direction? Option A, forward bias. Option B, reverse bias. Option C, both directions. Option D, neither direction. The answer is option A, forward bias. Question number 203. Which type of rectifier uses only one diode? Option A, half-wave rectifier. Option B, full-wave rectifier. Option C, bridge rectifier. Option D, center tap rectifier. The answer is option A, half-wave rectifier. Question number 204. What type of transistor has layers arranged as NPN or PNP? Option A, FET. Option B, BJT. Option C, MOSFET. Option D, SCR. The answer is option B, BJT. Next question. Question number 205. The unit of transistor gain is option A, volt. Option B, ampere. Option C, dimensionless. Option D, ohm. The answer is option C, dimensionless. Next question, question number 206. In NPN transistor, current flows from option A, collector to emitter. Option B, emitter to collector. Option C, base to collector. Option D, base to emitter. The answer is option A, collector to emitter. Next question, question number 207. What is the main function of a resistor in a circuit? Option A, store charge. Option D, limit current. Option C, increase voltage. Option D, amplify current. The answer is option B, limit current. Next question, question number 208. The color code for a 470 ohm plus minus 5% resistor is option A, yellow, violet, brown and gold. Option B, red, violet, brown, silver. Option C, green, blue, red, gold. Option D, brown, black, orange, gold. The answer is option A, yellow, violet, brown, gold. Next question, question number 209. The primary purpose of a transformer is to option A, convert AC to DC. Option B, step up or step down AC voltage. Option C, store energy, option D, filter AC signal. The answer is option B, step up or step down AC voltage. Next question, question number 210. Which of the following is a passive component? Option A, transistor, option B, resistor, option C, diode, option D, SCR. The answer is option B, resistor. Next question, question number 211. Which device can act as both a switch and amplifier? Option A, diode, option B, transistor, option C, capacitor, option D, inductor. The answer is option B, transistor. Next question, question number 212. In an RC circuit, the time constant is given by option A, R into L, option B, L by R, option C, C by R, option D, R by R into C. The answer is option D, RC, R into C. Next question, question number 213. The symbol of a capacitor consists of option A, two parallel lines, option B, triangle, option C, circle, option D, wave. The answer is option A, two parallel lines. Next question, question number 214. What is the function of an inductor in a circuit? Option A, store energy in magnetic field, option B, store energy in electric field, option C, increase voltage, option D, reduce resistance. The answer is option A, store energy in magnetic field. Next question, question number 215. Which of the following is an active device? Option A, resistor, option B, capacitor, option D, diode, option D, inductor, option C, diode, option D, inductor. The answer is option C, diode. Next question, question number 216. Which type of transistor is used in digital circuits? Option A, BJT, option B, MOSFET, option C, JFET, option D, UJT. The answer is option B, MOSFET. Next question, question number 217. The main application of a photodiode is option A, amplification, option B, light detection, option C, rectification, option D, filtering. The answer is option B, light detection. Next question, question number 218. A thermistor is used for option A, measure current, option B, measuring temperature, option C, rectification, option D, amplification. The answer is option B, measuring temperature. Next question, question number 219. The negative temperature coefficient thermistor decreases its resistance as option A, voltage increases, option B, current decreases, option C, frequency increases, option D, temperature increases. The answer is option D, temperature increases. Question number 220. The operation of a SCR is similar to option A, diode, option B, transistor, option C, LED, option D, thermistor. The answer is option A, diode. Question number 221. Which type of oscillator uses both LC and feedback? Option A, RC oscillator, option B, LC oscillator, option C crystal oscillator, option D relaxation oscillator. The answer is option B LC oscillator. Next question, question number 222. Crystal oscillators are prepared because option A low cost, option B high stability, option C simple design, option D high power. The answer is option B high stability. Next question, question number 223. A bistable multivibrator is also called option A flip-flop, option B oscillator, option C amplifier, option D rectifier. The answer is option A flip-flop. Next question, question number 224. What is the main advantage of using digital circuits over analog? Option A complex design, option B less accuracy, option C noise immunity, option D high distortion. The answer is option C noise immunity. Next question, question number 225. Which of the following is a logic gate? Option A resistor, option B capacitor, option C is the answer, and gate. Question number 226. The truth table of an OR gate with inputs A equal to 0, B equal to 1 is option A 0, option B 1, option C undefined, option D 0.5. The answer is option B 1. Next question, question number 227. The IC 555 is commonly used as option A amplifier, option B timer, option C rectifier, option D switch. The answer is option B timer. This is timer IC. Question number 228. A decibel dB is used to measure option A gain, option B voltage, option C resistance, option D current. The answer is option A gain. Next question, question number 229. Which of the following is used to store binary information? Option A capacitor, option B flip-flop, option C diode, option D resistor. The answer is option B flip-flop. Next question, question number 230. In digital electronics, 1 represents option A high, option B low, option C medium, option D 0. The answer is option A high. Next question, question number 231. The main purpose of a buffer in digital circuit is option A amplification, option B isolation, option C rectification, option D timing. The answer is option B isolation. Next question, question number 232. TTL stands for option A transistor logic, option B time temperature logic, option C total transmission logic, option D transistor thermistor logic. The answer is option A transistor logic. Next question, question number 233. CMOS stands for option A complementary metal oxide semiconductor, option B controlled metal oxide semiconductor, option C capacitor MOS, option D current mode output semiconductor. The answer is option A complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Next question, question number 234. A logic high in TTL is approximately option A 0 volt, option B 2 volt, option C 5 volt, option D 10 volt. The answer is option C 5 volt. Next question, question number 235. A diode bridge rectifier converts AC into option A AC, option B DC, option C square wave, option D triangular wave. The answer is option B DC. Next question, question number 236. The main function of a filter in a power supply is to option A increase voltage, option B remove ripples, option D decrease current, option D change frequency. The answer is option B remove ripples. Next question, question number 237. The common type of filter used in power supplies is option A RC, option B LC, option C RL, option D RLC. The answer is option A RC. Next question, question number 238. A phototransistor works on option A magnetic effect, option B photoelectric effect, option C thermal effect, option D piezoelectric effect. The answer is option B photoelectric effect. Next question, question number 239. The main purpose of a relay is option A rectify AC, option B amplify signal, option C store energy, option D switch high voltage with low voltage. The answer is option D switch high voltage with low voltage. Next question, question number 240. An operational amplifier op-amp is mainly used for option A rectification, option B oscillation, option C switching, option D amplification. The answer is option D amplification. Next question, question number 241. The ideal input impedance of an op-amp is option A low, option B high, option C 0, option D 1 ohm. The answer is option B high. Next question, question number 242. The ideal output impedance of an op-amp is option A low, option B high, option C medium, option D infinite. The answer is option A low. Next question, question number 243. The IC 741 is a type of option A timer, option B op-amp, option C flip-flop, option D voltage regulator. The answer is option B op-amp. It is an op-amp IC. Next question, question number 244. What is the main purpose of a voltage divider? Option A increase voltage, option B reduce voltage, option C store voltage, option D convert AC to DC. The answer is option B reduce voltage. Next question, question number 245. The symbol of a Zener diode includes option A standard diode with bent line, option B LED symbol, option C triangle only, option D rectangle. The answer is option A standard diode with bent line. Next question, question number 246. Which type of diode is used for voltage reference? Option A LED, option B tunnel diode, option C Zener, option D Schottky. The answer is option C Zener diode. Next question, question number 247. In a NPN transistor, electrons flow from option A, base to collector, option B, emitter to collector, option C, collector to emitter, option D, base to emitter. The answer is option B, emitter to collector. Question number 248. In a PNP transistor, holes flow from option A, base to collector, emitter to collector, collector to emitter, emitter to base. The answer is option B, emitter to collector. Next question, question number 249. What is the main advantage of using LEDs over incandescent lamps? Option A, less voltage drop, B, more heat, C, lower lifespan, D, high efficiency. The answer is option D, high efficiency. Next question, question number 250. The common mode rejection ratio CMRR is associated with option A, diode, option B, op-amp, resistor, capacitor. The answer is option B, op-amp. Next question, question number 251. The main function of a bypass capacitor is to option A, block AC, option B, store DC, option C, pass AC, option D, increase resistance. The answer is option C, pass AC. Next question, question number 252. A Darlington pair is used for option A, rectification, option B, high current gain, option C, oscillation, option D, voltage regulation. The answer is option B, high gain. Next question, question number 253. The maximum current that a diode can conduct without damage is called option A, reverse current, option B, leakage current, option C, saturation current, option B, forward current. The answer is option D, forward current. Next question, question number 254. A photodiode produces current when exposed to option A, heat, option B, light, option C, magnetic field, option D, voltage. The answer is option B, light. Next question, question number 255. The speed of a digital circuit depends on option A, input voltage, option B, resistor value, option C, propagation delay, option D, capacitor type. The answer is option C, propagation delay. Next question, question number 256. Which device is used for analog to digital conversion? Option A, DAC, option B, ADC, option C, op-amp, option D, comparator. The answer is option B, ADC. Next question, question number 257. Which device is used for digital to analog conversion? Option A, DAC, option B, ADC, option C, op-amp, option D, comparator. The answer is option A, DAC. Next question, question number 258. Which transistor is most commonly used in power amplification? Option A, BJT, option B, JFET, option C, MOSFET, option D, UJT. The answer is option A, BJT. Next question, question number 259. An inverting amplifier changes option A, phase, option B, voltage magnitude, option C, current only, option D, frequency. The answer is option A, phase. Question number 260. A non-inverting amplifier provides option A 180 degree phase shift, option B 0 degree phase shift, option C 90 degree phase shift, option D 270 degree phase shift. The answer is option B 0 degree phase shift. Question number 261. In a transistor, HFE represents option A current gain, option B voltage gain, option C power gain, option D resistance. The answer is option A current gain. Question number 262. The main advantage of a switch mode power supply over linear is option A simplicity, option B high efficiency, option C high heat, option D high weight. The answer is option B high efficiency. Next question, question number 263. The leakage current in a diode flows in option A forward bias, option B reverse bias, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. The answer is option B reverse bias. Next question, question number 264. The primary purpose of an inverting op-amp configuration is option A invert and amplify signal, option B increase input current, option C rectify AC, option D filter DC. The answer is option A invert and amplify signal. Next question, question number 265. Which logic gate produces output high when inputs are different? Option A AND gate, option B OR gate, option C XOR gate, option D NAND gate. The answer is option C XOR gate. Next question, question number 266. What is the main function of a comparator? Option A amplify signal, option B rectify AC, option C store charge, option D compare two voltages. The answer is option D compare two voltages. Next question, question number 267. A comparator is usually built using option A diode, option B transistor, option C op-amp, option D resistor. The answer is option C op-amp. Next question, question number 268. Which op-amp parameter defines the ability to reject common signals? Option A gain, option B bandwidth, option C CMRR, option D slew rate. The answer is option C CMRR. Next question, question number 269. Slew rate of an op-amp indicates option A maximum output, option B speed of response, option C input impedance, option D output impedance. The answer is option B speed of response. Question number 270. The unit of slew rate is option A voltage per hertz, option B voltage per second, option C voltage per microsecond, option D ampere per second. The answer is option C voltage per microsecond. Next question, question number 271. Which feedback is used for stable amplifier operation? Option A positive, option B negative, option C regenerative, option D none of the above. The answer is option B negative. Next question, question number 272. Positive feedback is mainly used in option A amplifiers, option B oscillators, option C rectifiers, option D filters. The answer is option B oscillators. Next question, question number 273. A voltage follower has a gain of option A 0, option B 1, option C 10, option D infinity. The answer is option B 1. Next question, question number 274. The input impedance of a voltage follower is option A low, option B medium, option C high, option D 0. The answer is option C high. Next question, question number 275. Which circuit converts AC to pulsating DC? Option A amplifier, option B filter, option C regulator, option D rectifier. The answer is option D rectifier. Next question, question number 276. A capacitor input filter is also called option A LC filter, option B pi filter, option C shunt filter, option D series filter. The answer is option C shunt filter. Next question, question number 277. Which component reduces ripple voltage most effectively? Option A resistor, option B inductor, option C capacitor, option D diode. The answer is option C capacitor. Next question, question number 278. A voltage regulator maintains option A constant current, option B constant voltage, option C constant power, option D constant resistance. The answer is option B constant voltage. Next question, question number 279. A switch mode power supply is known for option A high losses, option B low efficiency, option C high efficiency, option D heavy weight. The answer is option C high efficiency. Next question, question number 280. Which component stores energy temporarily? Option A capacitor, option B resistor, option C diode, option D fuse. The answer is option A capacitor. Next question, question number 281. Capacitors are connected in parallel to option A increase voltage rating, option B reduce capacitance, option C reduce current, option D increase capacitance. The answer is option D increase capacitance. Next question, question number 282. The dielectric in a capacitor is used to option A increase current, option B reduce resistance, option C increase capacitance, option D block magnetic field. The answer is option C increase capacitance. Next question, question number 283. Which capacitor has polarity? Option A ceramic, option B mica, option C paper, option D electrolytic. The answer is option D electrolytic. Next question, question number 284. An inductor offers maximum opposition to option A DC, option B AC, option C low frequency, option D heat. The answer is option B AC. Next question, question number 285. The opposition offered by an inductor is called option A resistance, option B capacitance, option C impedance, option D reactance. The answer is option D. Reactance. Question number 286. The reactance of an inductor increases with option A. Resistance, option B. Temperature, option C. Frequency, option D. Voltage. The answer is option C. Frequency. Next question, question number 287. The symbol L represents option A. Resistance, option B. Inductance, option C. Capacitance, option D. Power. The answer is option B. Inductance. Next question, question number 288. A choke is a type of option A. Resistor, option B. Capacitor, option C. Inductor, option D. Transformer. The answer is option C. Inductor. Next question, question number 289. An inductor allows which current easily? Option A. AC, option B. DC, option C. Pulsating DC, option D. High frequency AC. The answer is option B. DC. Next question, question number 290. Which material is commonly used for transformer cores? Option A. Plastic, option B. Silicon steel, option C. Aluminum, option D. Copper. The answer is option B. Silicon steel. Question number 291. Transformer works on the principle of option A. Capacitance, option B. Self-induction, option C. Mutual induction, option D. Electrostatic induction. The answer is option C. Mutual induction. Next question, question number 292. A step-up transformer increases option A. Current, option B. Voltage, option C. Power, option D. Frequency. The answer is option B. Voltage. Next question, question number 293. The frequency of transformer output is option A. Increased, option B. Decreased, option C. Same as input, option D. 0. The answer is option C. Same as input. Next question, question number 294. A transformer cannot work on option A. AC, option B. Pulsating DC, option C. DC, option D. High frequency AC. The answer is option C. DC. Next question, question number 295. The core losses in a transformer include option A. Copper loss, option B. Iron loss, option C. Mechanical loss, option D. Dielectric loss. The answer is option B. Iron loss. Next question, question number 296. Which loss is reduced by laminating the transformer core? Option A. Copper loss, option B. Eddy current loss, option C. Hysteresis loss, option D. Leakage loss. The answer is option B. Eddy current loss. Next question, question number 297. Which transistor configuration has highest current gain? Option A. Common base, option B. Common emitter, option C. Common collector, option D. Common source. The answer is option C. Common collector, CE. Next question, question number 298. The common emitter amplifier provides option A. No gain, option B. Voltage and current gain, option C. Only current gain, option D. Only voltage gain. The answer is option B. Voltage and current gain. Next question, question number 299. Which configuration is also called an emitter follower? Option A, common base. Option B, common emitter. Option C, common collector. Option D, common source. The answer is option C, common collector. Last question of the part 3 is 300. Question number 300. In an amplifier, distortion refers to option A, increase in signal, option B, decrease in signal, option C, change in waveform shape, option D, noise reduction. The answer is option C, change in waveform shape. Thank you for watching this video.